Okay, guys, running kimono here, and I don't often say this, but get your coat on. Watch this video first, get your coat on, and get to Walgreens right away. We have this crazy freebie I got 40 candy bars completely for free. I didn't even have to pay tax. So if you want to fill up your Easter baskets on the cheap, this is a video for you. If you want to do this and then donate all of these to a senior center or a food pantry, you pick however you want, what you want to do with these, but we're talking Reese's big cups completely for free. This is a very unique deal, so get out to the store right away because people are going to start clearing this deal. Like there's going to be nothing left. Okay, so we're looking for these Reese's pretzel big cups, or the ones, there's two different ones. This one also, it's called Reese's with Puffs. They are on clearance for 29 cents. Find them merchandised at the front of the store. Find them towards the cash register. Find them in that weird candy aisle, also towards the cash registers. Or find them just in a regular merchandised right on a shelf at the front of the store. But those two flavors specifically at 4 stores I went to today was on clearance everywhere. This is a Walgreens coupon, also known as an IVC, loaded digitally. It is of a one-time use. So if you used it the one time, you're one and done. But it will work on multiple items. Now, I grabbed 40. Yes, 40 of them. And right there, and as you can see, 27, $7.83, and that came off with the IVC coupon. And then for the other ones, I grabbed 13, again, $3.77 off. So I didn't even have to pay tax on this, and it was quite the rush. So because it is such an easy deal, like even store members are going to want in on this. The store that I visited, they had a lot on the regular aisle and then right merchandise towards the cash register. So ask like, hey, can I get a quick price check on this, or whatever you have to do, get creative. And I'll let you know once the cashier figured out what I did, because I only grabbed 40. There was probably another 80 on the shelf. Him and the manager grabbed the rest, and they were going to do the deal because they wanted it for Easter baskets for their families. So it's going to go really, really quickly. Get out right away and pay attention. Ask for price checks and grab all of your merchandise in one transaction because that IVC is of a one-time use. And it's a one and done. So this is such a great deal, guys. Just get out to the store. I can't even talk. And to show you, there's other candy that's on clearance. There was a lot at 50%, but this is actually 90. It's these Kit Kat, but they're the king size. So I believe with that IVC, it wasn't going to attach, and I didn't even try. And honestly, it's like everybody in the store played with it because all of the Kit Kat was broken, and I was like, I don't want to buy this for an Easter basket because it looks kind of gross. So here's my gorgeous haul, and I did get a lot. The expiry date on a lot of this expires, I think, August or so. So lots of my neighbors, I like to send something for Easter. I always feel bad about UPS and FedEx trucks coming to our home daily for packages and stuff. My husband loves Amazon. So for some of the elderly neighbors, I always bring candy and just a little card for Easter. So like this is perfect. I have like a whole lot to really spoil them. And then for nieces and nephews, I'm ready now. And I didn't clear the store, so please don't come for me, but go and get yours, especially if you want to fill up Easter baskets or, put out a big bowl at your workplace. You'd be everybody's favorite person. Just get out to the store, guys. I'm just like, I'm never really this, but just go right away. Watch the video, like it, and then just go to the store. The last piece of info before I take off is the Unisom. I actually found 4 at this one store, and I was looking for clearance medication today. That's what I was on the hunt for. And I didn't find much, but I found 4 of these, and I bought them all thinking, it's just an item that really captured my imagination. And for 70% or for 90% off, I'm like, I'll try it. So anyhow, guys, that $5 store coupon printed out. And this is not an allergy or an ache and pain sort of item, so I don't know why it printed out, but it did, and I was very grateful for that. So if you might see this, and if this is something that, you would like to try, you could try it for free with that $5 store register reward printing. I'm assuming you buy 2 and it'll print, but like how exciting is that? So if you love Reese's, get out and go and do that deal. And if this is your speed, it's printing out that $5 store coupon as well that we were talking about on Sunday. Sorry this video is so scatterbrained. I'm just super hyper by this deal. Like free Reese's, unheard of. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.